Hey, what's going on? So today is garage door threshold seal install. So the way I did it is had the door down and I lined up my seal. If you buy your seal, usually they have a yellow marking for, I guess, to show it's a tripping hazard, safety stuff. But this is the highest point, so my seal is, well, my garage door seal is in front of the line. Depends on how you look at it. And I use a painter's tape, so you can see I lay down the glue already. And after you guys are done, I use a aviation cutter to cut this. It's pretty easy, no special tool needed. After that, I adjusted my J, I guess my J mount. So this is parallel to the door, or actually level. Yeah, it's level to the ground. And this one is about, I don't know, 1 o'clock. Not sure what the degrees, but I have to adjust that, and then I have to adjust my downforce, the closing gap. The downforce is actually behind here. It's right over here, right there. So if you adjust the downforce and something is in there, it's gonna increase the resistance and the motor would reverse back up. That's what it is. Yep. I had to fold the curtain because I scraped my glue off, but I did press it a little bit, pushed it, stayed within my painter's line, just to get the bubbles out. If you're gonna have to pick the line, like you have a mason line from here over there to get it right, it's not perfect. You're just gonna discover that your garage is not a straight line. It's not perfect. So what I did is close the garage door and then just follow my seal, the garage door seal. So that's the main purpose, because when I did the line, the mason line, and I use actually this yellow line to make it straight. This yellow line was like back here, right here, and with the garage door down, it's not sealing. It's not gonna seal right, because that seal is more forward. So I mean, to me it looks bowed because my garage is bowed. So, but other than that, keeps the water from coming in, because whoever built this garage, it's level with my driveway. Should be at least higher. So, and when the wind is blowing from the east, water can get in here. So other than that, it's pretty simple. it's just gonna wait. See, still glue in there. But yep, pretty simple.